Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will draw this scene of Goku vs Jiren from Dragonball Super in my style. Nicolas Birdsong reached out to me on Instagram and he wanted this exact same image but drawn in my style. Let's get right into it guys, hit like, subscribe and then we can start. Let's go. Alright guys, finally done. This was really a lot of work, but I think it turned out pretty good. As you can see, I kept my version very close to the original, but still added my own touch to it, like I always do. I am very happy with Goku and Jiren. The aura looks also very good, but I could have done better on the sky. Still, it's a very good piece of art, and I really appreciate this commission from Nicolas. And I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video today. Skillshare is an online community for creators of all kinds. You can find online courses and teachers for every subject. It doesn't matter if you're an artist, a musician or an actor. On Skillshare you can find tutorials and learning lessons for basically everything. And as we all are interested in drawing, I can recommend you the artist called Sensei if you want to learn how to draw faces easy, which is one of the most difficult parts in drawing. But if you are struggling with body proportions, you can check out the artist Patrick Brown. He is showing you how to bring your characters into action poses, which is also very difficult to draw. And the real cool thing is, Skillshare is very affordable. For only $10 a month, you will have full access to all the videos and art classes on Skillshare. And the first 1000 people to use the link down below will get a free trial for Skillshare Premium. So, if you are interested, make sure to check out the link below guys. Okay guys, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you are new. If you also want to get a custom drawing which will be created according to your wishes, contact me over Instagram or email me at arttolg@gmail.com. And I'm also on Patreon guys. From now on I will upload the real-time videos only on Patreon. So make sure to check that out and support me over there, link below. That's it guys, thanks for watching and I see you very soon. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.